In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track WooCommerce purchase conversions with Google Ads. By the end, you'll have reliable purchase data flowing from your store into Google Ads, so you can optimize bids, measure ROS, and scale with confidence. First, sign into your Google Ads account. From the main menu, open goals and then conversions. This is where you define what success looks like for your campaigns. Click the new conversion action button to create a fresh rule specifically for purchases. Choose website as the source and enter your WooCommerce store's URL. This helps Google scan your site and prepare the right tagging options. For categories, select purchase. That tells Google this action directly represents revenue, which unlocks better bidding strategies like target ROAS. Under value, choose use different values for each conversion and set a sensible default value. The plugin you'll add in a moment will pass the actual order total on each sale. The default is just a fallback in case a value is ever missing, so pick something representative of a small order. Under count, select every. For e-commerce, each transaction matters, so you want to record every sale rather than a single conversion per ad click. When you're done, click Create and Continue. On the next screen, you'll see your conversion ID and conversion label. Keep these handy for a moment. You'll paste them into your WooCommerce plugin. Now, head to your WordPress admin dashboard, install and activate either the Google for WooCommerce plugin or Pixel Manager for WooCommerce. Both support Google Ads purchase tracking for WooCommerce, and they'll handle the technical details for you. Just be sure you only run one plugin to avoid duplicate tracking. Open the plugin settings page and look for the Google Ads conversion tracking section. Paste in the conversion ID and conversion label exactly as shown in Google Ads. Save your settings. From here, the plugin will automatically send the correct order value and a unique transaction ID every time a customer completes checkout. That unique ID helps prevent duplicate conversions if a shopper reloads the thank you page. Give Google Ads a bit of time to start receiving data. It's normal for conversions to appear with a short delay. If you want extra peace of mind, you can use a browser tag assistant or place a small test order to confirm the purchase event is firing. That's it. You've set up purchase conversion tracking for WooCommerce and Google Ads with accurate values and clean deduplication. This foundation will make your bidding smarter and your reporting far more actionable.